The last class, we look at how to save map document. This class, we're going to look at how to save as and why. Alright, so we already have this work saved. So that means it is saved. But in an instance whereby after you've done some changes, a lot of changes, and then you try to save it back, like you just press Ctrl S and say this cannot save, or it says one language or the other, what do you do then? You go to File and you come down to Save As. Now we have Mina, you just change it, Mina MXD, you just change it to Mina 1. Because you are saving it again, maybe an error has occurred to this one, so you save it as automatically and it will save. Then later you can delete the first one that is Mina, so that you can only have Mina 1. So saving as will save you some embarrassment, like you just work and then you wanted to save. I've received so many count from my students and from different individuals trying to make inquiry. All they are saying, I tried to save my work and it's refusing to save. Sometimes it's saying they will run into issues and all that. So to solve that problem, you simply save as and your problem will be solved. So I'll see you in the next class.